We paid for our tickets.
So they're free tickets.
It's not under discussion.
They're free tickets. You didn't pay for your tickets.
Okay, throw them away. I'm sorry.
Just lean out against this wall for me, okay? Just lean.
I'm just here.
You don't have any property besides a lip gloss.
Well, my parents are very strict.
Okay, well,
and if I were to tell them that I was arrested,
so
you don't understand what would happen.
On April 4th, 2023, Kira and Ava, two college students, were excited to attend a concert at Ohio State University's Mershon Auditorium, but their excitement got the better of them, and they showed up at the event noticeably drunk. The staff at the entrance quickly noticed their condition and called the police to help manage the situation. When the officer arrived, he tried to calmly explain to the girls that they couldn't enter the concert because they were too intoxicated.
How are you guys?
Good.
Hey, you're not going to be let into the concert tonight because you're a little bit too intoxicated, because you've had a little bit too much to drink.
We have tickets.
Hold on. It doesn't matter. They've already told us they're not going to allow you in regardless of your ticket.
Why?
Okay? Because you've been drinking too much.
Ross is helping me. It's really fine.
Okay.
You can hardly stand up straight, man.
You've had a little bit too much to drink.
Why?
Okay, listen to me so you understand, okay? I know you're upset, and that's all right. You're allowed to be.
We've been waiting here since 2 p.m.
I know, but you also had a little bit too much to drink.
No, we haven't.
Okay, well, they're not going to let you in, so here's my advice to you, okay? Go ahead and head home and find something else to do this evening, okay?
We have our tickets.
I understand. They're not going to honor your tickets.
We've been here all night.
I understand that.
We've been waiting here since 1.
I know, and it's unfortunate, but they're not going to allow you guys in regardless of your tickets because you're too drunk.
You can't be intoxicated and come into the event.
We're not intoxicated.
Yes, you
I
are.
can smell the alcohol coming from you.
You guys can choose to stay here or not. That's your choice, but you're not going inside. Okay, so my advice to you is just to go
Why
ahead
don't you
and head
test
on home.
us?
Because I have no reason to test you. They have the ability to not honor your tickets if they don't want you inside. They are saying you're too drunk. I'm not going to test you.
Who said this?
The organizers of the concert.
We know someone that is in
Okay,
OUA.
then you can text them with your complaint tomorrow. Okay, great. Then you can text them with your complaint tomorrow. Today you need to go home. Okay?
Tonight. He asked us to come to
Listen.
this.
I'm going to step away from you guys so you can process what's happening for a second, and you need to go home, okay?
Despite the officer's clear explanation, Kira and Ava argued back, insisting they weren't drunk and deserved to go inside. The officer remained patient, pointing out that their slurred speech and unsteady movements were signs that they had too much to drink. He advised them to go home and find something else to do, warning them that they would not be allowed in, even though they had tickets. Instead of listening, Kira and Ava left the concert area, only to return a short while later, hoping they could sneak back in. The officer recognized them immediately and stopped them at the door.
Ladies, okay, she's with OUAB. Hold on a second, she has something to say to you guys. We believe you have tickets, miss. Can you come up here so you can listen to this?
Yeah, the problem is actually not that we have tickets. Being under any kind of influence is a liability for us here because of
Hold on a
lighting.
second, listen to her.
No, I completely understand. We've been here as well. There's crazy lighting and sound, and we can't really risk
We've
that.
been here.
No,
we don't have any problems with light and sound, I swear. You saw us. We were in line with them.
For sure, and I also saw you come inside, and there was a lot of stumbling, and we just really want to make sure that you're safe.
We've been waiting here in the cold since we never out.
Remember we came inside, and we were talking, and we came back outside?
Yeah.
The three of us.
I know.
Yeah.
We mistook that you guys were letting us in.
For sure.
This time, he gave them a final warning: either leave and go home, or they would be arrested. Still, the girls didn't take the warning seriously. They left again, but came back for a third time, determined to get into the concert.
Did you guys not understand what we talked about?
We've sobered up.
No, you're not. Well, listen to me. Listen to me. This is not up for debate. You two are not welcome inside.
Just drank a bunch of
Go
water.
home. Go home or go to jail. Those are your two choices. If you try to come inside, you're going to jail. We've talked about this.
When Kira and Ava tried to enter once more, the officer had no choice but to arrest them.
You're both under arrest.
Are you serious?
Yes. We've warned you twice. You're not welcome to come inside. Listen to me. Turn around. Turn around. You've been told twice you're not welcome inside. This is your third time trying to get in. Listen to me. Stop. 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 Under arrest now. Do you understand?
We're here for our friends. We're here for
Nope, you're going to jail. Turn around.
We're students here. We were the
Stop pulling, okay? We told you guys.
We've told you twice you're not welcome in here today. You're choosing not to listen. Now you're going to jail. Now you're going to jail. You want to go ahead?
Yeah, I know that's my property. Give it to me.
Please stop, please. Listen to me. Listen to me. I'll explain to you. Okay? We're going to take your property from you and hold it for safety. When you go to jail, you can't have it in there. We'll go with you and they'll hold it. When you get released, you'll get it back.
What's your first name? What's your first name?
I'm not telling you because you're not giving me my property.
What's your first name?
Can you give me my phone?
I'm trying to talk to you.
You can't touch that because that's my property. You can't touch
Eva?
that. You can't touch
All right,
that.
Eva. So listen.
Can you give me that for a second? Can you just give me that for a second? Ow, this is hurting me.
Stop
You're
moving.
hurting
Kira,
me.
Stop.
I'm not trying to move. I'm just trying
Eva,
to free
excuse me.
my arms. My arms
Is
don't
it
go
Eva
like that.
or is it Kira? Is it Eva?
It's Eva.
Okay.
Can you release my hands because it hurts really bad. I have back
Are you
problems.
gonna stand still?
I have back
Are you
problems.
going
It really
to stand still?
Yes.
Okay. Let's drop
Yes,
it.
it hurts really bad.
Jump it up.
Yes, I understand that. I didn't understand
Please
that
don't move.
before because
Yes,
you
you did.
didn't
You
tell
chose
me.
to ignore it.
No,
I told you
because
multiple
I went
times
to.
you would go to jail if you
Can
came
you
back.
just listen for a second?
No, because you don't listen. So no. We're done talking about it.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Can you spread your feet?
I just.
Spread
Can
your
I
feet.
tell you one thing?
Spread
Can
your
I
feet.
just tell you one?
What? What?
Can I just tell you one
What?
thing?
What's up?
Can you listen further?
Sure.
I'm trying to be on the camera.
I know. You're just being searched.
I got
That's
food.
yeah.
I ate my food. I got water. So,
Okay.
and I tried to get my I'm sorry. I'm really sorry.
I'm gonna use the back of my hand here. Okay. I just need to do like under your bra line. Okay.
So you don't understand
You
that
have multiple bottles in
My
your.
friend doesn't understand that she doesn't.
You have alcohol bottles in your bra. You have alcohol bottles in your bra.
Okay, remove them.
What's that?
Okay, throw them away.
Throw them away? Is that what you said? So here's the thing: is I can't grab them from you.
Can I? Because my hands are handcuffs.
We already told you. You're gonna go to jail. We gave you multiple chances. Okay. You didn't want to listen
Can
to
I
us.
just stay?
No, we're past that. We asked you to leave. You left 2 times and came back.
Listen.
I'm so weird now. I
Listen,
swear.
retrieve your stuff. Let me see this.
I don't
Hold on, let me take this off.
I don't
What's that?
Okay, throw them away. I'm sorry.
Do you have anything else?
No, nothing else. Nothing else. I swear. I'm sorry.
All right. Let's see. You have anything on you?
No.
This is the third time.
Where's your phone and your Buck ID? In your pocket?
In my, probably one of my pockets.
Based off the ID that I took.
Can you turn a little bit? I don't see your wallet or your phone at all. Did you leave it somewhere? You had it before. You kept dropping it. Did you leave it?
She might have my wallet, but honestly, like...
No, this is all her property right here. Did you like leave it in a restaurant?
It's a like red wallet.
I know, I saw you with it earlier. I don't know what you did with it. Do you have any bottles in your bra?
No.
If you do, and we find out later, you're going to get in more trouble. Do you have anything in your bra?
I don't. I shouldn't.
Okay, so when you left here, did you set your wallet maybe down somewhere in a restaurant? You don't have anything on you right now. There's literally nothing here. Spread your feet a little bit. Nope, sorry, face this wall. Perfect, face the wall. Spread your feet a little bit. I don't know, she must have left it in a restaurant or something.
I shouldn't have, like,
You literally, okay, here, you get your arm. Just lean out against this wall for me, okay? Just lean.
I'm just here.
You don't have any property besides a lip gloss.
Yeah.
So you don't have your ID with you? You don't have a book ID?
I understand that you have
She had it from
Your ID by chance? For you?
I thought we were all, like, together within hers, but, like, maybe not. I don't know.
So we are acting on their behalf. They said you two are not allowed to come in because you're very intoxicated. Okay? So we told you once, correct? And you guys left. You went into Target because we watched you go into Target. Then you came back, and then we told you again. We gave you a second chance. We gave you a second warning, right? And then you guys left and you went over by Roots because I watched you. And then
We went to Roots. We got food.
okay,
We went
but
to the
unfortunately,
bathroom.
that doesn't sober you up fast enough. It doesn't work like that. And regardless of the fact, you are already told. Please, I'm trying to. You're asking. I know you're frustrated. I'm trying to explain it to you, okay? So we gave you 2 chances, and we also said you were not coming in here tonight. There's nothing that you could have done to change that. It doesn't matter if you were completely stone cold sober. We said you were not coming in here. We gave you 2 chances. You got 2 chances, and you still came in here a 3rd time. And we told you. Stop, please stop. We weren't kidding.
The girls were very upset and continued to argue, making the arrest more difficult. They were taken to the police station where they were informed of their rights. Despite their attempts to talk their way out of the situation, it was clear that their actions had serious consequences.
Go ahead, I'm listening.
My parents are first-year immigrants
From where?
Kyrgyzstan and Uzbekistan. You probably don't know where that is. It's near Russia. My parents are very strict. My mom, she's very, very strict. I don't want to talk about it. I don't know about her parents. I don't know where she is right now. But my parents are very strict.
Okay, well,
And if I were to tell them that I was arrested,
so
you don't understand what would happen.
they would be very upset with you.
Kira and Ava were charged with criminal trespass, which means entering a place where they were not allowed after being told to leave. In this case, they violated the law because they continued to try to enter the concert even after being warned and asked to leave. The specific law they broke was Ohio Revised Code 291121, which makes it illegal to enter or remain on someone else's property without permission, especially after being told to leave. This law helps protect people and property from harm.